His stardom did not elevate him above society. Rather, it allowed him to circulate within it, embedding life itself into ordinary lives, habits, and moral aspirations. In this sense, Nasir emerges not simply as a star, but as an evergreen cinematic museum, a living archive of ethical possibility, continuously reactivated through viewership. I have had the experience of interviewing many people, who are now 80s and 90s, who always, very successfully narrate the stories of cinema viewing at a time when they go to a movie theater and find Prem Nasir on the screen and getting relief from some of the mental and emotional dispositions of the actor. Richard Dyer, is one of the most important film theoreticians, who have, written volumes on the star body. He actually reminds that a star is not a person, but a star is something like a palimpsest, Palimpsest means, a star is a text, memory of text of the spectators about their aspirations and emotional drive towards this star. That is the star. Star is not simply the one who is visualized on the screen. He says, star is a structured polysemy, a constellation of images, narratives, performances, publicity, reception, public appearances and interactions. So Nasir in that sense exemplifies this structure with rare coherence. What distinguishes him, however, is the remarkable alignment between screen persona and off-screen persona.